What's up guys, today we're going to be talking about media queries. So the function of media queries is to make your HTML adapt to different kinds of screen resolutions. So you can see the definition of media queries by searching it on Google. The media queries is a CSS3 module allowing content rendering to adapt to conditions such as screen resolution. So we're going to be using the screen width property. So everything that is less than 990 pixels is going to be considered mobile. So I have two divs right here, which says this is a mobile version in the first one and this is the desktop version in the second one. So both of them has classes known as mobile and desktop separately, and let's start coding. So let's start styling actually. So the first thing when defining a media query is type at media and screen and minimum width, as we said previously, 990 pixels. So this is the mobile version. So we're gonna be showing the mobile display block and hiding the desktop display none, and that's it. So let's copy this and do the opposite, the max width. So the same thing, 990 pixels, and we're gonna be changing this to desktop and this to mobile. So let's see how that goes. So sorry, I have changed it. So this is gonna be minimum and this is gonna be maximum. Now as you can see, this is the mobile version and this is the desktop version, which changes in 990 pixels. So if you want to see what the width will be running on right now, so you can use this inspect element option or the developer options in every browser you have that. So you can see the width right here. When it goes to 991, it turns into, this is the desktop version. So you can also use transitions in this one. So the first thing I'm gonna do to define transitions is change the HTML first. Okay, so I'm gonna create a rectangle right now, which is with the class of naming rectangle, and it must have width of 100% and height, let's set that to 200 pixels. Yes, and we can have a background color of red. So let's see how this rendered. Okay, as you can see, this margin, you can remove it, but I'm not going to do that right now. You can do that by typing the body or dot everything and reducing the margin to 0 and make it important. So that's it. You have the rectangle, and let's create a media screen and minimum width. It's maximum width, I guess, 990 pixels. You can play with that and find out which is the correct one. And let's add a transition of background color into background color with 500 milliseconds of transition timing. And we're gonna have the rectangle, and it is going to change its background color to blue. As you can see, if I change this below 990 pixels, this turns into blue. This is how you can use transitions with media queries. So the next thing I'm going to do is just change the height to 500 pixels. So that's it. So you're gonna have to use the transition again separately. As you can see, it is kind of a slower, but it works. That's the whole point. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.